Hello my dance friends, Rob and Dyanick here to teach you the Tush Push. This dance has been around since, I don't know, the 80s or 90s, one of the first country line dances. It goes to many songs and it can be done to slower songs and faster songs. So when I do the demo, I'll do a little clip of a slower song and then a clip of dancing to a faster song. This is a 40 count dance. There's no tags or restarts. There are a lot of variations out there. I'm going to teach you the basic steps, okay? We're going to start with our weight on our left foot, and we're going to start with a right heel forward, touch, heel forward again, and step. Left heel forward, touch, left heel step. So heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, step. Now, when I say touch, you're not putting your weight on it. When I say step, you're putting your weight on it, okay? So it's heel, touch. You notice I'm not stepping, heel, step. So that is the difference. All right, so after that, you're going to do heel switches. You're going to do quick right heel, right heel, and a clap. Okay, so let's do that again. Right heel, right heel, clap. So when you bring it home, you're barely stepping on it. It's just heel and heel and heel, clap. All right, so let's put those two sections together. Right heel, touch, heel, step, left heel, touch, heel, step. Heel switch, 2, 3, clap. All right, now we're going to do double hips forward, double hips back, and hips forward, back, forward, back. I think this is the Tush Push part. All right, so these are done in a lot of other dances as well. So double hips to the right, double hips to the left, then single right, left, left. And your right foot is still in the front. All right, so let's put that together. What we have so far, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. All right, now our right foot is still in front. We're going to shuffle forward, and you're going to start with your right because your weight is on your left. You're going to shuffle right, left, right. You're going to rock on your left, forward, and recover on your right. So now your weight's on your right. You're going to shuffle back on the left foot. Left, right, left. And rock back on your right and recover again on your left. All right, so let's try that again. Your right foot is forward. Shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock, back, recover. Okay, so let's put that together from the top. Right heel, touch, heel, step, left heel, touch, heel, step, switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock, back, recover. All right, we are going to shuffle forward one more time. Shuffle forward on the right. You're going to step out with your left, and you're going to pivot a half turn to your right. Okay, so you're pivoting on the balls of your feet. Just half turn to your right. This is your right hand to your right. All right, and now your weight should be on your right foot. And then you're going to shuffle forward again on the left, right, left. Okay, all right, let's do that part again. You're going to shuffle forward, step out with your left, pivot half to your right, shuffle forward on the left. All right, so now you should be facing 6 o'clock with your weight on your left foot. You're going to step forward with your right and pivot a half back to the front. You're going to step forward one more time and pivot just a quarter to 9 o'clock, and you're going to stomp twice. Okay, that is the end of the dance. Now, I prefer to stomp right, left, because at the end of the dance, I want my weight on my left foot for sure. But you can stomp twice on your right if you prefer to do it that way. That's up to you. So let's try that last section again. So the last section, you were going to shuffle forward, step out left, pivot half, shuffle forward one more time, step out right, pivot a half to your left, step out one more time, and pivot a quarter, and stomp twice. Okay? Let's put it all together from the top. It's a nice slow pace. Start with those heel touch steps. So heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot a half, pivot a quarter, stomp twice. Awesome. All right, so you made it around. All right, I'm going to try it with the counts. This is a 40 count dance, all right? So it's a little different. So, ready. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Hips 5 and 6, 7, 8. Single 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, back 3, 4. 5 and 6, pivot 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp 7, 8. All right, so it's 5 sets of 8. So a lot of times our beginner level dances are 32 count. 4 sets of 8, this one is 5. All right, so this is a counterclockwise dance because wall 2 we ended up at 9 o'clock, okay? So we're going around the room counterclockwise. So let's try wall 2. We're going to do our right heel touch, heel step, left heel touch, left heel step, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, and rock, shuffle back, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, pivot a quarter, stomp, stomp. All right, so hopefully you are facing 6 o'clock. If not, go back and practice a little. All right, so you get that turn right. So basically, that half turn and the quarter turn brings you to your next new wall. All right, so what's our next new wall? It should be 3 o'clock, okay? So let's try wall 3. Right heel, touch, heel, step, left heel, touch, heel, step, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip forward, double hip back, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward, rock left, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, pivot quarter, stomp, stomp. Awesome, so now we're at 3 o'clock. All right, let's do 3 o'clock. Ready, heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, rock, shuffle back, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, pivot a quarter, stomp, stomp. Awesome, we made it back to the front. Okay, let's do a couple walls together without stopping. I'm not going all the way around because we're going to practice with a nice slow song. So let's do wall 1 and 2 together. Ready? Heel, touch, heel, step, heel, touch, heel, step, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, pivot quarter, stomp, stomp, right heel touch, heel step, left, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward, rock, recover, shuffle back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, pivot quarter, stomp, stomp, heel touch, heel step, heel touch, heel step, heel switch, 2, 3, clap, double hip, hip, 2, 3, 4, shuffle forward, rock, shuffle back, shuffle forward, pivot half, half, shuffle forward, pivot half, pivot quarter, stomp twist. All right, we did 3 walls. Another thing you want to do is when the music gets super fast, you want to shorten up your steps. And this goes for any line dance song. But as we were doing it in the beginning, we were shuffling forward, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover. If you're dancing to Hang Tight Honey by Lainey Wilson, you're going to shuffle, rock, shuffle back, shuffle forward, pivot. It's a very short shuffle, okay? So, shorten up your steps as the music speeds up, okay? All right, so try the demo with me. I'm going to demo with a slower tempo song, not do the whole song, and then I'll demo with a faster song. All right, so check them out. If this tutorial helps you, please like and subscribe. Post any comments below. Thanks so much for watching. This is my favorite song to use when I'm teaching Tush Push. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel touch, heel step. Heel switch. Hips. Hips, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle and rock. Shuffle back, shuffle forward. Pivot half, shuffle forward. Pivot half, quarter. Stomp, stomp, heel touch, heel step. Heel switches. Hip, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle and rock. Shuffle back, shuffle forward. Pivot half, shuffle forward. Pivot half and a quarter. Stomp, stomp, heel touch, heel step. Heel switch. Hip, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle and rock. Shuffle back, shuffle forward. Pivot half, shuffle forward. Pivot half and a quarter. Heel touch, heel step. Heel switch. Shuffle and rock. Shuffle back, shuffle forward. Pivot half, shuffle forward. Pivot half and a quarter. Heel switch. Pivot half, shuffle forward. Pivot half and a quarter. Heel switch. Half, shuffle forward. Pivot half. Heel switch. Hips. Shuffle forward. Rock. Shuffle back. Shuffle forward. Pivot half. Shuffle forward. Pivot half. Quarter. Heel switch. Shuffle and rock. Shuffle back. Shuffle forward. Pivot half. Pivot half and a quarter. Okay, so before I put the second demo on, I just want to talk about variations. This dance is done all over the country, and you're going to see variations of it. So sometimes when you do your shuffle forward instead of shuffling back, you're going to see people pivot, turn, and shuffle. You're going to do that pivot, turn a couple times. Also, sometimes you see, instead of heel touch, heel switch, you'll see heel jacks. Out and cross, crazy fast stuff, which is fun, but not for everyone. So don't worry about it. You're still on beat, and you can dance with the best of them, all right? Okay, so let's try to a super fast song by Lainey Wilson, Hang Tight Honey.